I almost always have a container of roasted vegetables in my fridge. This week it's potatoes and carrots. It is the best combination and one that will go fast, trust me. Be prepared to make a lot of these when you do make them because they are really popular. I'm keeping today's recipe simply seasoned with just a little bit of sea salt, rosemary, but you can also feel free to jazz yours up with white pepper, chili powder, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, whatever seasonings you like. I just happen to love the simple taste and really let the vegetable flavor come through. As you can see, these were a hit. There's not many left of them. They're even delicious cold on a salad. Whip up a batch of these at your next gathering. Even Super Bowl Sunday, you'd be surprised when you put them out with a couple different dips. They go fast. So I'm beginning by boiling some water in a medium saucepan. I'm going to add about a pound of sliced carrots. Adding a little pinch of sea salt to the water helps to retain the color and flavor of the carrots. Cook the carrots for 5 to 7 minutes. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the cooked carrots into a strainer to cool. In the same water, once it returns to a boil, I'm going to boil a pound of potatoes. These are baby potatoes, but you can use other types of potatoes cut into bite-sized pieces. Let them cook for the same amount of time, about 5 to 7 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to preheat my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then once the potatoes are done cooking, I'm going to remove them the same way we did with the carrots with a slotted spoon, placing them in a strainer to cool. So now our parboiled potatoes and carrots are ready for roasting in the oven. The oven has been preheated and is ready to go. We're going to place the potatoes and carrots on a rimmed baking sheet and spread them out in a nice even layer. I decided to slice some of the larger potatoes in half just to keep them bite-sized. For the fat, I'm going to use beef tallow, but you could use avocado oil or olive oil or even refined coconut oil. I'm adding 2 tablespoons and I'm going to evenly disperse this among the vegetables and rub it in. Make sure that they all get well coated in the beef tallow. This is going to make them nice and crispy. I'm adding a handful of fresh rosemary sprigs. Add whatever seasonings you like at this point. So now pop these in the oven. And we're going to cook them for a total of about 40 to 50 minutes. And you'll want to turn them every 10 minutes. So sometimes I just set the timer for 10 minutes so that I don't forget to stir them. And then remove them from the oven. Give them a stir. And make sure you get them in a nice even layer again before returning them to the oven to cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. And just keep repeating this process, taking them out of the oven, giving them a stir for a total of 40 to 50 minutes or until they're lightly golden and crispy. The result will be well worth the wait. You will be so glad you invested the time in making these roasted carrots and potatoes. They're finally ready. Now I'm going to go ahead and season these with some sea salt, and I like to season them pretty liberally with the sea salt. You can also add white pepper or cracked black pepper at this stage. And then just toss the vegetables to make sure that the seasoning evenly coats all the veggies. These roasted potatoes and carrots are looking amazing and are ready for tasting. They are just divine. I love them just on their own, but you can definitely serve them with your favorite dips like a sour cream and onion. even some salsa. And you're going to watch these disappear when you serve them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.